before retirement and sort of hand you a manual. There's no orientation or welcome package, no, here's what actually matters now kind of conversation. So a few years ago, I started building my own framework, and not because I'm a financial advisor, I'm not, but because I have lived it and living it. I've made the mistakes and asked the questions that nobody sort of answered directly. And what I landed on were 4 words, 4 C's: clarity, comfort, cost of living, and certainty. And today I want to walk you through all 4, because I think if you understand these, then you will understand most everything else about retirement and money. So let's begin. The first one is clarity. Clarity means knowing your actual numbers, not guessing, not avoiding your account statements, not I'll look at it later. And for most of my working life, I didn't ask questions that I was afraid of the answers to. But retirement doesn't reward avoidance. It rewards knowing. Knowing your monthly income, knowing your fixed expenses, knowing exactly what is coming in and what is going out. Clarity isn't about having more money. It is about seeing the money that you have clearly. Number 2 is comfort. And comfort is different from clarity. Where clarity is about the numbers, comfort is about how those numbers feel in your body. You can have a fine number on paper and still feel anxious every single day. Comfort means building a margin, a little breathing room, enough that a surprise expense doesn't send you into a panic. I remember when my car broke down and the cost was much more than I planned, but I had money set aside for that, so I didn't panic. Number 3 is cost of living. And this one sounds obvious, but most people don't actually run the math. Where you live, what healthcare costs in your area, what property taxes look like, what your day-to-day life actually costs. Cost of living isn't static, and it changes as your life changes. Mine changed the moment I stopped commuting to a lab every day. And number 4 is certainty. Certainty isn't about knowing the future. Nobody knows the future. But certainty is about knowing that you have built something that can hold up when the future doesn't always cooperate. An emergency fund, a plan for healthcare costs, a plan for the things that you can't plan for. These 4 C's didn't remove my fear about money, but they gave me a place to put it. Instead of one big fog of, am I doing this right? I have 4 specific questions that I can ask myself. Am I clear? Am I comfortable? Do I understand my cost of living? And do I have certainty built in? I have built a simple worksheet that sort of walks through all of this, and it is linked below as a free download, so you can run your own numbers through this same framework. And if this helped you see your retirement money a little differently, subscribe, because next time I'll break down the actual mistakes that I see people make with most of their retirement budget.